guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. So I don't know if you guys have seen these kinds of videos going around on YouTube, but they are the I tried following like whoever's makeup tutorial. I thought that this was such a cool idea and would be such a fun video to film. So today I'm going to be doing an I tried following a Nicol Concilio makeup tutorial. Nicol's makeup tutorials are always like amazing. She's so good at makeup, definitely very talented. Super excited to try to follow one of her tutorials. I'm going to be following her Kylie Cosmetics Royal Peach makeup look. It's just an eye look, so yeah, this is how it turned out. But to watch the whole thing, make sure you keep on watching. Right, so the tutorial that I'm following, I'm just going to show you guys on my phone, is the Royal Peach palette tutorial. She did this one about a year ago. And I'm only using this one because I have this palette from Kylie Cosmetics, the Royal Peach palette. I'm going to try and recreate this look right here. It's so pretty and I love the pop of color on the lower lash line. She did this tutorial January 16th of 2017, so that's about a little over a year ago now. I will link this video down below in the description so you guys can see that I followed it. I'm just going to have my phone set up off to the side so that I can watch the video while I do the look. So she started out doing a bunch of swatches to test out the colors. Royal Peach palette looks like this, a really pretty variety of colors. Nicol started out by applying this color Sorbet into her crease as a transition shade. So that's pretty simple. I already have done my foundation and concealer and my eyebrows because that wasn't shown in Nicol's tutorial, so I'm just going to recreate the eye look that she did. Next, she went into the shade Sandy right here and just deepened up the crease. So it looks like she just blended out her crease a little bit more. She was just testing out her brush to see how good it was, and her Kylie brushes are definitely good. I have the rest of the set right here. This shimmery shade called Queen Bee, and apply that all over my lids. The lashes, eyeliner, and mascara that she's using in this tutorial, I don't have, so I'm just going to use different products and tell you guys what I'm using, but I'm going to create the same look. For my eyeliner, to create winged liner, just like Nicol did, I am going to use my NYX Matte Liquid Liner. Now I'm just going to be applying my Ardell Wispies. My liner and lashes done, so let's keep watching Nicol's tutorial. It looks like she's applying this color Sandy to the lower lash line. In her video, she's using kind of like an angled brush, going into the color Royal and just lightly blending that out on the lower lash line. Next, she applied a blue eyeliner to her waterline. So she used one from Tarte, but I don't have one, so I'm going to use this one from Stila. And then finally, she set this color with the royal color from the Kylie palette, so I'm just going to do that. It doesn't show her using any mascara on her lower lashes, but I don't know, it kind of looks like she might have. I'm just going to apply like a little bit of mascara. For lips, I'm going to, I think this color might be kind of similar to the one that she used. This is the Kylie Cosmetics Velvet Liquid Lipstick in the shade Charm, and I'm also going to use the lip liner, so we'll see how close this color is to the one in the video. So I actually think that looks pretty close to the color that she used. This is the finished look. I don't know if you guys can see. You have the pop of blue in the lower lash line and a really neutral colors on the lids. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If Nicol Concilio would see this tutorial, that would be amazing. I really like this trend on YouTube. This was a very fun tutorial to film. Let me know what you guys think of this type of a video. I will have Nicol's tutorial that I followed linked down in the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell button to turn on my post notifications so you're notified when I upload every single new video. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook that are always linked down in the description below, and I will also have these products that I used today down in the description. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!